How to enhance your design or programming portfolio. Whether you are just learning programming or looking to show off your design skills, the web desktop may just be a good idea, and certainly can only add to your programming or design portfolio. If you are struggling to get some colorful projects into your portfolio, then you just may be able to feature apps that you made for your desktop. There's nothing demanding about the window and desktop design pattern when it is put inside a browser window. At the base, it does rely heavily on drag and drop for resizing, positioning, and possibly panning the desktop, but drag and drop is a wonderful teacher of code organization. Your mousedown and mousemove events have to share some information, mostly old position of cursor for the drag operations, and whether or not drag and drop was enabled by the mousedown operation. You can share some state, or an instance of an object, down a functional programming pipe. I just recommend the Lodash and its flow function. Very simple, super simple. Even when you involve your own hit areas and bounding boxes, it's still not a large challenge. It is less than 100 lines of code to get everything moving properly. Strangely, and kind of wonderfully, there are practical applications hiding behind every corner of the web desktop. You could, for example, start by creating your custom code editor. You can also turn it into a little side project by offering people their own accounts, so as long as they bring in some storage for their data. You can even create a drag and drop app builder and a matching app store where creators of your applications could sell their apps and give you a small percentage when doing so. Follow a simple functional programming pattern and give your users an Automator UI-like experience. And let them share and sell their own Automator-like actions too. Like an Automator, here the UI designer can just focus on single-column UIs that not only look really neat on the desktop, but also easily adapt to fit the mobile screen. Let the desktop be a large screen interface, but present those who access it on mobile with a custom-made mobile version where the UI is little more than a desktop full of icons, a launcher that open the single-column applications full screen on mobile. People interested in hiring true talent want to see large and complete things. They want to see things that work. And having a lightweight little desktop to which you can add more and more little apps, including code editors and website builders, can quickly become pretty impressive. Personally, I think the main benefit of such a cute little invention is in all the programming practice and the daydreams of taking it to the next level.